Here from my right is Mr.
Mazi Sam OHUABNWA, presidential aspirant on the platform of the PDP.
My name is Pius AYIM, presidential aspirant, PDP, Ebonyi State.
My name is Mr. Pius AYIM, presidential aspirant, PDP.
My name is Dr. Nwachukwu ANAKWENZE, presidential aspirant, PDP.
We are pleased to have you this morning with us, and we are to inform you that all the presidential aspirants from Southeast met this morning. However, it is to our knowledge that more aspirants may have obtained funds under PDP. We hope that they will join us a little later. So in the interim, 4 of us are presidential aspirants under the platform of our great party, the People's Democratic Party of Nigeria. We met this morning and resolved as follows. 1, we have agreed to work together as a team. We will work together to ensure that a Southeasterner emerge as PDP flag bearer for 2023 presidential election. We intend to consult with other zones on this issue, and it is based on fairness and equity. In doing so, it is important to note that we have always supported other zones, and we now expect them to reciprocate. Thank you very much.